Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to ship products correctly on eBay using the dropshipping model with Aliexpress as a supplier and also using the wholesale business model. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. So first, let's start with the dropshipping business model. If you want to see how to ship from eBay with the wholesale model, you can go ahead and skip ahead, just follow the timestamps. All right, so in this video, we're gonna actually show you how to purchase an item from Aliexpress after receiving an order on eBay. So for this example, I'm going to select this particular order and I'm going to grab the order number. This way I can see all of the details as well as the buyer details, how much he paid, and exactly what he bought. So next we need to go to our supplier site and choose the exact same item and then order that item to this buyer's address. So because my supplier for this particular item is Aliexpress, I am going to jump into the Aliexpress website. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and select everything that the buyer selected or what I offered on eBay. And then of course, you're just going to go ahead and purchase that product. So then for the shipping information, I am going to need to change it. So you can do that by selecting other addresses. And without having to add another address, you can just go ahead and edit any address that you already have in there to the new one that you have received. So now you just have to copy all of the details. What I do is copy the shipping information, and this is an extension. But I'm not going to use it now because not everyone has this extension. So you repeat the process until all of the information is filled out from eBay to Aliexpress. Once you have all of the information filled out, you can go ahead and place the order. Don't forget to go to your cashback site to get the cashback. And that is basically how you fulfill the order from Aliexpress to eBay. So now let's say you've sent that item to your buyer. So now you have received a tracking number. So let's say that this is the order from Aliexpress. You can go ahead and press track order. And then you can just copy the order number from there, or there's another way at the top, you have order ID and you can go ahead and click on view detail. And of course, here you have the same tracking number as well. Then once you have it copied, then you go back to your order and you add the tracking number where you have it available. Now to add a few tips, please don't forget to check your seller rating. And then of course, if you scroll down to the bottom, you have seller recommendations, which is just about the same product that you have searched for from different sellers. And then when you scroll to the bottom, you have a lot of the items that are being sold by this seller. And right below that, there is more to love, other similar items to the item that you have searched for from other sellers. Before we move to wholesale, I want to tell you how you can win a 1-month subscription for Zeek Analytics for free. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified for new videos we post. And third, share with us your biggest why. Why are you doing this business? What are your dream goals that you want to achieve succeeding on eBay? Every week, we give away for free a 1-month subscription of Zeek Analytics. Now I want to show you how to ship products correctly on eBay through the wholesale business model. So now I'm going to show you how to process orders and submit shipping returns to your shipping provider. So you're going to go under My eBay and go to Selling. And then you're going to go ahead and select All Orders under Orders. So here you can see all of the orders and the awaiting shipments. So now you have to choose the order that you are ready to ship. Now for the example, let's go ahead and select this order even though it has already been shipped. So here you can see the purchase details as well as the shipping details. The shipping details are all information about your buyer, and on purchase details, be sure to see and confirm that the buyer has paid. So for this example, I used Aliexpress for my shipping provider. So then I'm going to go ahead and jump into my shipping provider website. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a shipping label. So what you have to do is grab all of the information that you have on eBay from your buyer, such as name and all of that, and then go ahead and copy it over to your shipping provider. So after you've filled everything out, go ahead down to the bottom of the page and click Next. Then, of course, go through all of this information, make sure it's correct. If anything else needs to be filled out, do so, and then go to the bottom again and click Next. And then here, of course, you get to select the packaging. Go ahead and select that as well, quantity and weight, and then go ahead and click Next. Just be sure to check all of the information on each page, and then if it's correct, just go ahead and continue with Next. Then, of course, you have the amount that's going to be paid to your shipping provider. Go ahead and click Next. Then at the end, all you have to do is click Accept and Continue. After you've gone through all of the pages, made sure that all of the information was correct, and you filled out some missing information to your liking as well. And you should be complete. You can also print your label, and this is basically your label. So once you get the shipping label, go ahead and copy the tracking number right from the shipping label. And then paste the tracking number to your order page. So add the tracking number, and once you do, select the carrier, and once you do that, go ahead and save and continue. So after you've pasted the tracking number, you should send a notice or a message to your buyer informing them that the item has been sent. So just go ahead and contact the buyer, write something. If you have a message template for sending out items, go ahead and use that, write that in there, and then go ahead at the bottom and select send message. After doing all of that, don't forget to leave feedback for your buyer. And that is basically it, how to ship an item. That is it, guys. Hope this was helpful. If you have any comments regarding the video, please post those in the comment section as well. Thank you, and I will see you next time.